one mistake of taking a day ticket yesterday only. It is not so needed if you are, because the first day you will obviously covering all the main attractions in the city, which are all walkable. We took the day ticket because we had to reach to our Airbnb, which is also 30 minutes away from city, but somehow we made a decision to not carry this bag and come via bus instead of walking. So we took the day ticket, but after that we went to a waffles workshop where they agreed on to keep our bag with them. So we did not come to the Airbnb also. Basically we wasted our day ticket because everything in city is at walkable distance. Everything is just 5 to 10 minutes apart. You don't need a day ticket to walk in the city. So if you come to, wow, this is such a beautiful home. Doggo, 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 doggo. Is it okay to touch him? Can we touch him? No? You try mud. He's looking at you. Go. No. Ciao, guten Tag. Ciao.
ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬೇಕಾ
ಹಾಂ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನು ಬೇಕದು ಎಸ್ yeah, so I was saying that if you are in the city center and if you don't have to be worrying about your bag, and if it's your first day especially, so you have to see a lot in the city center itself, don't take a day ticket. It's waste of money, and if you have to go somewhere, it will take you around 3 euros from one end. So if it is really far, then 3 euros should be sufficient for one side. So yeah, plan your stay accordingly and plan your day ticket accordingly. It's also good that day ticket will be for 24 hours and it is for 9 euros. So we are actually not losing out on any money because we traveled yesterday once to come to Airbnb. Basically we wasted our money. Yeah, we did not waste because we traveled 3 times, so 3 into 3 is 9 euros. We regained that money, but we need not actually have a day ticket to travel that many times. 3 times is equivalent to 9 euros anyway, but we did not use it to the full potential because we had to explore the town. Today we want to...
If you are broke, then day ticket is not needed.
Irrespective, it's not needed. Yeah.
Old idra beku.
Yeah, if you have like parents with you, please take a day ticket. It will be helpful. And plus, yes, pretty much it. Today we will try to explore something in the outskirts or just have a nice hot chocolate, which we missed yesterday. We were there, but we could not because it was quite a big line. So today we'll go and try to get some hot chocolate from the old house of chocolate, and also we'll eat loaded fries today, which originated from Belgium. We missed one bus. We were supposed to go to the center from bus stop, but we took the wrong bus, and it was showing us 3 changes of bus and also 20 minutes away. But then we just put the location on maps by walk to see how far actually it is. It's only 950 meters away from city center. So what we realized is if you walk, if you take the bus, it's actually a lengthier route. Rather, you should try taking walk through the city. Huh? And start, yeah. Either, so we have to go from here, come. So it's full adventurous when you are taking like walk through the city. Where is it written? It's Hanstad. Yeah. So it will take you to like really insider routes. See, I never thought I would walk this path if I hadn't missed the bus. So it's good to miss your bus, and also it's good to walk in the Bruges.
क्या हुआ जो लारी
छूटी एक पल में सारी छूटी. Yeah, but it looks so cool. It actually looks cool, Apu. See?
only road.
Yeah, it looks like a village.
Yes, but I think a car is coming over. This is also-
No, I don't think this is like, it's only for pedestrians.
No, it's also for car.
Ah.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಐತಲ್ಲ bike and car.
Oh, but look how cool this whole street is. Now this will take us to city center. Yee.
ಕಾವೇರಿ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾಜು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ದಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
But imagine it's Chand road.
ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಂದಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಚ್ಚಿ ಗಿಚ್ಚಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that's not good.
But this is not like. When you're walking through Bruges, smaller, old city, smaller roads, then you will realize that you will see a lot of these markings. They are actually pipelines for many things. You can see this one is something. It's written as what?
Arding.
Or something of that sort.
Electrical, that is earthing.
Yeah, earthing. And this one is for gas, whereas this one is for water. We are actually looking for something different, and that is a beer pipeline. Yesterday, when we were in the Bruges waffle and beer workshop, they told us the history. Bruges beer started getting very popular. So when it started getting popular, they wanted to expand their brewery, but they didn't want to go outside the city. But Bruges city in itself is very small. It's walkable. You can just cover it in 10 minutes. So they came up with an idea where they decided to put the packaging unit outside of Bruges, but the brewery itself inside in Bruges city. So they made another unit for brewery, and now the second problem arose. The road transportation was quite expensive. So how do they send the beer to the packaging unit, which is outside Bruges? So that time they decided that they'll do it through pipeline, and building pipeline was also not under their budget at the point. So what they came up with was that, is this by any chance beer? No, it's water. So they decided whoever will contribute to them in house, they will give them certain certificates as per gold, silver, platinum, whatever. And depending on that, now people who invested in these pipelines have lifetime free supply for beer, and many people did. So eventually the pipeline was constructed, and now people are happy because they have free beer, and also Bruges beer industry is growing. So that was like very sharp make in your own country and make in your own city concept, which worked out for them. That was a
Pipeline
nice.
is now 10 years old.
Yeah, pipeline is 10 years old and running successfully, and something to learn from and take away from. So by this 10-minute walk, we also ended up in the city now. So beautiful city starts here. Show around. Hey, see, imagine in that small road now the car is going to go. If there is another car coming from that end, they have to stop. See, come here. It is such a small one.